In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT not loading on desktop. First, open your browser. In the address bar, search for ChatGPT and open the official site. If the page doesn't load or stays blank, don't worry. We'll go through quick checks that usually fix it. Before you change anything on your computer, check the OpenAI status page. If there's a widespread outage, the issue isn't on your end, and the best move is simply to wait until service is restored. Next, try loading ChatGPT in a private or incognito window. On Chrome or Edge, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. If ChatGPT opens there, that's a strong sign a browser extension is interfering. You don't need to uninstall anything yet. This just helps you confirm the cause so you can disable extensions one by one later if needed. If it still won't load, outdated or corrupted site data may be blocking the page. Open your browser's privacy and security settings and look for the section that manages cookies, third-party cookies, or site data. Instead of clearing everything, use the search box in that panel to find entries related to OpenAI or ChatGPT, and delete only that specific data. This targeted reset refreshes your session and cached files for the site without affecting your other websites. Seeing a completely blank page? Right-click anywhere, choose Inspect to open Developer Tools, then go to the Network tab and find Network Conditions. Under User Agent, uncheck Use Browser Default. Leave the user agent set to a standard choice, then refresh the page. This forces the site to reload without relying on a possibly misreported user agent, which can sometimes cause blank renders. If none of that works in your current browser, try a different one such as Firefox, Edge, or Brave. This is a quick way to rule out a browser-specific compatibility issue. If it loads elsewhere, you'll know the problem lies with the original browser's settings or add-ons. To recap, open your browser, search for ChatGPT, and try to load the site. Check the service status first. Test in an incognito window to isolate extensions. Clear only the site data for OpenAI or ChatGPT. Adjust the user agent if the page is blank, and finally try another browser. Follow these in order, and in most cases, ChatGPT will start working again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back up and running.